Working with and managing multiple client accounts can be difficult, especially when you are a social media manager at an agency. Managing profiles across different niches can sometimes get your wires crossed, and you might have the constant dread that you will post to the wrong account by accident. Therefore, organization is key, and having the tools to make your job efficient is even more important. Today, we're going to list through our must-have tools that social media management agencies need in order to boost engagement, save time, and run a tight ship. So let's set sail. I'm sorry. That joke was really bad. But these tools are not. All of these tools will help you out a ton, and we've labeled each tool to really give you a quick understanding as to what it's best used for. And our first tool is titled the All-Arounder, and this would be Flick, or us. Now, we know we might seem a bit biased, and we definitely are, but our platform is informed and built by people who have worked as social media managers. So we know exactly what was needed to improve our day-to-day lives. In fact, some of our direct team members have managed multiple accounts themselves, so they knew exactly what they wanted and needed, and we built it. So why is Flick an essential social media tool? I'm so glad you asked. Flick is an all-in-one platform that allows you to manage, draft, and schedule your content, analyze your performance, and engage in a community of other social media managers in order to share strategy, advice, and ask questions. Flick Scheduler allows you to upload content that you want to post, add your captions, and schedule it across Facebook and Instagram, with more platforms coming very soon. You can either auto-publish posts, including carousels, it's a recent addition, or have Flick send you a notification when you're ready to go live. It's up to you. Either way is fine. We'll also provide you with the best performing time so you can maximize your engagement from every possible angle. We want you to win, and we want to give you the tools to help you win. Finally, you're able to import hashtags that you've saved on our hashtag tool directly to your caption or first comment, whatever you're going with. Which brings us to one of our major priorities, which is hashtags and analytics. Within Flick, you can find, manage, and analyze hashtags for Instagram. We've been known as the premier hashtag tool for Instagram since we started, and that has not changed. We still have that as a major priority and a ton of tools to help you use hashtags most effectively. And if you've yet to try Flick, that's definitely a reason to do so. And we actually are offering you a free week trial of all of our services using the link in the description box down below. But we're not just a hashtag research tool by any means, and we'll elaborate more on the features in the next few seconds. So included in any plan, you'll also get access to our hashtag tool. Our hashtag research tool is included in every single plan, and not to brag, but it is pretty awesome and something we are very proud of. When you link your account, we're able to assess your engagement and following to make sure we suggest the most effective and engagement driving hashtags. Just pop in a keyword, edit any search parameters you need, and we'll suggest top performing hashtags that are low, medium, and high competition. You can save these hashtags to collections and either add them in when you schedule content or copy and paste them directly to your posts. And don't ever say we don't spoil you, because you also get access to in-depth analytics, including your best performing hashtags, which tags consistently perform well, the best posting times for your account, engagement, impressions, and much, much more. You can also export your reports when needed. And finally, the last reason why Flick is a must-have tool, and you can do this one even if you don't have a Flick account, is we have a community of social media marketers in a closed Facebook group called the Social Hub. This allows you to share results, ask questions, join on conversations, watch live sessions with the team, and more in order to continue to up your game and meet other people within your industry. There's also a plethora of free resources on our website, including our Flick Academy courses, blogs, and newsletters. And people love our newsletter, so definitely sign up for that if you haven't already. So like I said, we definitely provide the goods to our social media manager friends. And if you do want to try it out for yourself, you can access that free week trial that I mentioned down below. So now let's break down price, because obviously that does matter. So once your free week trial is up, prices start at £7 per month for a solo account, with our largest plan, including the ability to link up to 12 different accounts, costing £40 per month. The next tool on our list is what we've titled the Community Manager, and this is Sprinklr. When you need to track and manage DMs and comments on a large scale, having a tool to consolidate this is invaluable. Sprinklr is the best if you want to add multiple accounts, as it allows you to create boards to manage comments and responses for different accounts across different platforms. When you're on your board for a specific brand or client, you can view all of your DMs and comments sent to that platform. You can also filter by type of response, sentiment, and whether or not the comment has been replied to or not. Once you've replied, which you can also do right within Sprinklr, you can mark the case as resolved, which means if any one of your colleagues logs in to use the same board, they won't repeat any of your actions. So now let's break down the price. And this one definitely isn't for everyone because it is a very specific need, but it can save a ton of time, making it worth the cost for specific situations. On the lower end, this can cost around $100K a year, but their plans are tailored toward each client. So definitely check them out if you think it could help bring you some value. Next tool on our list, we have titled the Design Guru, and this one probably doesn't come as a surprise, but it's Canva. Canva is every social media marketer's most reliable coworker. Whether you're a design pro or don't know the difference between a JPEG or a PNG, Canva is hands down the best tool when it comes to creating branded assets that look professional, but also connect and engage with your audience. You can opt for a free or a paid version. We'd always suggest the paid version because we feel it's worth it. And the key difference is the imagery and templates you get access to, as well as increased editing tools and the ability to create a brand pack with your font, colors, etc. on the paid option, which can save you a ton of time and make creation a breeze. And within Canva, you can even collaborate with other team members, as nominated coworkers can access and edit your shared designs if they need to, which helps teams to be very reactive and nimble to create quickly. There are also templates for all social media platforms, whether you want to create a quick asset for stories, your feed, a LinkedIn banner, you name it, they have a template specifically for it. For design efficiency, especially when you manage multiple clients, Canva is an absolute must. So now let's break down the price for Canva. Amazingly, Canva still does have a completely free basic plan, which can absolutely help you get started. But like we mentioned, we definitely feel like the paid options that you get with a pro or above plan are well worth the money. And for a pro plan, it'll cost you just under £11 per month. And they also have enterprise solutions that will come in around £24 per month, all of which we feel are tremendously reasonable and provide you ample value for what you're paying for. The next tool on our list is titled the Analytics Lever. And this tool will help you get access to some analytics that can really help you to get a leg up on your competition. This tool is called Open Benchmarks, and this is another tool created by yours truly, Flick, and it is a completely free open Instagram analytics tool, which allows you to compare your results and performance against other accounts within your niche of the same account size as you. You are able to select a follower range that is similar to yours and view metrics up to a year ago. From here, you can view average engagement rates for accounts in the same range, click-through rate, growth rate, completion rates, and more. You will also see how many hashtags similar accounts are using, how often they rank on those hashtags, and how unique those hashtags are across their posts. And you can access open benchmarks just like every other tool we're going to mention on this list in the description box down below. And the price for this one is something you are absolutely going to love. It is completely free, always, forever. The next tool on our list, we don't have any sort of cool name for it. It's just the best for creating customized benchmarks and groups. And this tool is called Emplify. If you want to dig even deeper, you can also use a tool like Emplify, which allows you to create comparison groups, including your direct competitors. This is great for comparing yourself within your industry and understanding whether or not your performance is on track or up to par. They also provide content feeds, which show you top performing content from accounts you select to compete against, so you can understand what formats are best resonating with your customers right now. Additionally, you can toggle between your client accounts in order to see your own metrics as well as the share of engagement or following you have as a portion of your industry. At the moment, the tool has not yet integrated with Instagram Reels, so you will only be able to compare feed posts and stories. But that feature will likely be coming soon. And the price for this tool starts at $200 per month for their essential plan. And the last tool on our list is a social media management tool for budget-friendly agencies, and that is Facebook's Creator Studio. And I'm sure you've heard of this one, you've probably used it yourself, and you probably have some pretty distinct opinions on the tool. But the Creator Studio is a good option for those who are looking for a less pricey alternative when it comes to managing Facebook and Instagram posts. While it's limited in terms of what you can integrate and link, you are still able to schedule from the Creator Studio, add captions, and upload content. One of the most useful tools on the Creator Studio is their extensive music library of sound effects and tracks that are all rights free. Often, if you are working with creators or brands to create and publish content, if a product is featured, you will need to use rights-free music, which can be difficult to source. Facebook has searchable tracks that you can quickly download and apply to your videos, which are also available in the Reels library right on Instagram. You can also view monetization options when you are running paid media across your accounts, as well as view insights and manage files. So definitely a tool still worth checking out, even with its limitations and struggles, because it is completely free. And because you stuck around this long, we do have a bonus suggestion for another tool that is definitely worth checking into. And this is the InShot app. When it comes to editing content and finding rights-free music that isn't on Facebook's ad library, InShot is a fantastic tool and resource that is definitely worth having in your arsenal. If we missed any of the tools that you love using, definitely let us know in the comment section down below so we can feature your favorite tool on an upcoming list. So now you have all the tools that you need to crush it for your clients and bring them crazy amounts of success and crush the competition. And if you're looking to do that to an even greater degree, check out this video right here to learn more about how to up your analytics game and optimize your performance. We share some tips and tricks that will 100% help you stand out from the competition and give you that leg up. So go ahead and click that right here. I will see you over there.